I'm back. I haven't done a video for a little while. I've been pretty busy. Had some issues with the 6-liter again. There goes Raven. Not the truck would run, but it would not run while it was. I couldn't start it when it was hot. So I fixed that issue, and I'm back on the island again visiting. I went to an island meetup. And right now I'm working on a video of my engine repairs that I had to the issue that I had 8 weeks after mechanic Lauren worked on my engine, and it died while I was driving to work. So I've found the issue, found some problems, and ended up fixing it myself. It was a big learning curve. So that's coming in the next video. I'll have a lot more details. And in this video, I just helping a few other people with some issues and some installing some work. So yeah, stay tuned. That video should be out Monday if I have it all done, and I think you'll find it really interesting. Big problems, but I think everything is going to work out fine now.
Just curled up. Is this Max?
That's no. Raven. Look at what Raven did.
Just went and curled right up in the lap. Right
on Osa's lap. Go, hey. You traitor, huh?
She's so cute.
Yeah.
She's got a little white here, hey?
Yeah, a little bit of white, yeah.
Oh, she's so soft.
Yeah.
You're just the sweetest.
I like that jacket. You're so comfy.
Yeah. Oh no, the timer's going off.
Yeah. Oh, we got to go back.
I don't know if I want to go back. I want us to stay here.
Yeah.
Hey.
Right. Okay, I got Osa's ambulance here again, and we had an issue with it not charging, battery dying, and we finally figured it out. These two lines here are the alternator that connected to the power switch, and the battery came here. Once the accessory, where we just jump it across here, was on the vehicle, the accessory would bring the alternator to the battery. It's kind of a weird system, but it was, I believe this is used like to do anti-theft, because it would die in a couple minutes without that thing connected. So we're going to bypass it. We've got the two alternators go to the battery. We're going to connect a terminal block on here, and we'll have a lead going down to our DC charger. And we'll, of course, we'll make some new leads going from the house batteries to the unit itself, and a separate accessory switch, and the master switch to turn everything on is up on here. So we're going to make a new switch inside that you can turn on the master switch and turn on the accessory without having the vehicle running. We've simulated it here and tested it. We need to get a couple parts, but I believe in a few days it'll be perfect and we'll have it all running. So kind of weird. I've never seen the accessory go through a switch like this from the alternators, but the mirrors must have had a reason for it, but I'm glad we figured it out. And so Tuesday we'll have the parts, and as soon as he comes back out again, we'll have it all fixed. So I'm happy that it took a little while, but we know where everything is now. Good day. I'm back working on that 1977 Dodge B200 again, and got the diesel heater in. We got the inverter on. We got the DC to DC converter in, but we noticed an issue that the dash was going on and off all the time, and the signal lights didn't always work. So took apart the dash and show you what I found. The connections on the plug were all loose, and this plug here. So I resoldered. One was really loose, a couple were slightly, so I just resoldered everything on the board. They were never soldered before, they were just pressure fitted. So cleaned up all the contacts, and we're also changing the signal flashers. This vehicle has a separate flasher for the four-way and for the turn signal light. So one was really corroded, one was slow, so replaced both. And they're underneath here. Easy to get at with the dash off, really difficult with the dash in. There's only 4 screws to get that off, so I'm just going to hook everything back up and test it out, and hopefully everything will be working fine. I have stuff hooked up for John right now. It's just temporary because he's gutting the whole inside of his vehicle, but he wanted to have the inverter going so he can run his laptop. We have the batteries. We have the DC to DC converter. He's also going to get solar eventually. We have the current meter, and we have his diesel heater. So it's still a lot work in progress, but he's cleaning everything up. But I hooked this all up so he can have heat while he's working on here in the wintertime. And he's going to redo all the counters and the bed and everything else, but at least he has some power that he can do some work. So that was the big deal, getting them so we had some power to work on.